How to hide story from everyone on Instagram. Open the Instagram. Tap on the profile icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on the three lines that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Scroll down. Find this section for who can see your content. Tap on this option Story, Live and Location. Tap on the option Hide Story and Live From. Now you'll have to choose every followers in order to hide your story from everyone. Check on the box right next to every followers. Tap on the option Done. Now your story will be hidden from everyone. For a faster alternative, what you can do is go back. Tap on the option Close Friends. Now make sure not to add anyone in the close friends. If you have added anyone, what you can do is simply uncheck the box right next to them. Make sure the close friends count is 0. After that, you can upload the story on close friends and nobody will be able to see it. Like this, you can hide story from everyone on Instagram. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.